The THOR Kitchen 48-inch dual fuel range with dual ovens in stainless steel, model HRD 4803U, is a top-tier appliance designed for serious cooks. It's more affordable than you expect, so make sure to check the price in the description below. Offering a combination of gas cooking power and electric oven precision, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen looking for professional-grade features. With its dual ovens, this range allows you to prepare multiple dishes at once, saving time and increasing cooking efficiency. Whether you're baking, broiling, or simmering, you'll appreciate the high-powered burners that deliver quick, even heat. The sleek stainless steel construction ensures durability while adding a modern look to your kitchen. Plus, the range features a convenient storage drawer that doubles as a warming section, allowing you to keep your dishes hot until ready to serve. With the integrated broiler, you can easily crisp, brown, and cook to perfection. The high-performance burners provide the flexibility to cook anything from delicate sauces to hearty stir-fries. Its professional design and sturdy build make it ideal for large families or those who love to entertain. This range brings restaurant-quality cooking into your home, offering precision, control, and style. Experience the convenience and flexibility of the THOR Kitchen 48-inch dual-fuel range, designed to handle all your culinary needs. It's a must-have for anyone who values performance and reliability in the kitchen. Don't forget to check the price in the description below, and consider upgrading your kitchen with this high-performance range today.